Communities in rural Kansas are being hit hard by this pandemic as the coronavirus spreads across the state. That's putting a strain on their already short-staffed health departments and hospitals. KOAM's Zach Dodge has what the situation looks specifically in Wilson County.
The situation in Wilson County has started to get dire.
In the first 7 months, we saw about 60 cases, and now in the last few weeks, we're getting about 60 cases a week.
The county has now exceeded 400 total positive cases, with 30 of them coming over the weekend and 12 new cases just this morning.
We were behind from yesterday because we got so many cases yesterday, so been a fun morning around here so far.
Health Department Director Destiny Wheeler explains they've shifted almost all of their resources to the pandemic, working tirelessly to do contact tracing as cases come in and check up on those under isolation. But with only a handful of contact tracers, keeping up is a challenge.
I don't think we are keeping up. We're doing the best that we can. We're seeing, 20, 25 in a day, and then, it'll slack off to 10 or 12 in a day, and then go back up from there.
And the struggles extend beyond the health department. The main hospital in town is a critical access care hospital, meaning it only has 25 beds and no real way to take care of a COVID patient who needs intensive care.
That's scary because if you have to call multiple places and it takes hours to transfer out a patient who can't breathe well, we get nervous, the family gets nervous, the patient is not in the place where they need to be.
County Health Officer Jennifer McKinney explains the County Commission recently put a mask mandate into place and hopes that it will make a difference. But that will only happen if residents choose to do what they can to flatten the curve and make sure no more of their neighbors lose their lives to the disease.
I grew up here, and I do worry when I know that somebody is tested positive for COVID. They might do just fine, but I also know that we see people take a turn for the worse really quickly, and I worry with every single patient that gets sick that might happen, and I want to be sure that we're able to take care of them.
In Wilson County, Zach Dodge, KOAM News.
There have been 177,000 COVID-19 cases in total in Kansas and close to 2,000 deaths.